Welcome to aminacademy.com. In numerical methods and analysis regarding theory of equation, let us do some solving problem on symmetric functions. Example, if alpha, beta, gamma are roots of the equation x cube plus qx plus r equal to 0, then form an equation whose roots are this and this. Here, first question we'll do. The given equation is x cube plus qx plus r equal to 0, whose roots are alpha, beta, gamma. Also, it's a third degree equation. Now, a0 is coefficient of x cube is 1. a1 is x square 0, there is an x square term. a2 equal q and a3 equal r. Now, first, its root is alpha plus alpha beta gamma. Now sum alpha plus beta gamma equal minus a1 by a0, which is 0 over 1 equal to 0. Therefore sum of the roots is 0 here, and also alpha beta gamma equal, then minus a3 over a0, which is equal minus r over 1 equal to minus r. Let y equal the first root of the required equation, that is beta plus gamma over alpha squared. This now here we can express beta plus gamma is alpha plus beta plus gamma minus alpha, which means we are introducing plus alpha and minus alpha over alpha square. Here alpha plus beta plus gamma is 0 minus alpha over alpha square equal to minus 1 over alpha. Now we know that our equation is in terms of x. We are keeping one root is alpha, therefore alpha equal to x, which gives y equal minus 1 over x. Therefore you can say x equal to minus 1 over y. Now substitute this 1 over y as x in the equation of x cube plus qx plus r, which gives x cube, that is minus 1 over y cube, plus qx, that is minus 1 over y, plus r equal to 0. So 1 over y cube minus q over y plus r equal to 0. That take LCM is y cube, 1 minus q y square plus r y cube equals 0, which gives r y cube minus q y square plus 1, that y cube go that side is y cube into 0 is 0. Then replacing, because our required equation is steps of x, replacing y as x. Therefore our required equation rx cube minus qx square plus 1 equal to 0. This is a first part. Then second part of the question, whose roots are beta squared plus alpha squared beta gamma, like this given. Then let question number Second, let y is beta square plus gamma square over beta gamma. Then we can express beta square plus gamma squared is beta plus gamma whole square minus 2 beta gamma over beta gamma, which is equal beta plus gamma the square over beta gamma minus 2, because beta gamma by beta gamma is 1, that is 2 by 1 is 1. Now beta plus gamma we can write arranging like alpha plus beta plus gamma minus alpha, adding and subtracting alpha both side alpha, so we are getting alpha plus beta plus gamma minus alpha is 2 over beta gamma. Already alpha plus beta gamma is 0 minus alpha the square over beta gamma minus 2. Then which is equal alpha square over beta, that is alpha square into alpha square is plus alpha square over beta gamma minus 2. Further multiplying up and down of alpha, that is alpha square into alpha is alpha cube over alpha beta gamma minus 2. So here alpha cube is alpha cube, alpha beta gamma is minus r, that is our equation, that is a3 minus a3 by a0, that is product minus r, which comes minus r2. Alpha cube. So therefore we have y equal alpha is x cube over minus r minus 2. Therefore by simplifying we'll get x cube plus ry plus 2r equal to 0. Let it be 2. And already the given equation is x cube plus qx plus r equal to 0 is a given equation. Let it be, it's 1. That therefore 1 minus 2, that is x cube minus x cube plus qx plus r minus x cube plus ry plus 2r equal to 0. There x cube cut, then it gives qx minus ry, then r minus 2r is minus r equal to 0. From this we'll get x equal r of 1 plus y by simplifying by q. Now substitute in 3 or substitute in 3, substitute in, we get x in 1, substitute in 1, we have that is original equation. We have original equation is x cube plus qx plus r, that is x cube is x is, that is r 1 plus y over q, that whole cube, plus q into r 1 plus y by q plus r equal to 0, then which gives r cube 1 plus y cube plus your cube, that is by q cube, because this is q cube now, because here cube r into 1 plus y plus r q cube equal to 0. Simplifying will get, because everywhere r one r cut, that is r squared y cube by expanding y cube plus 3r squared y squared plus 3r squared minus plus q squared y plus r squared plus 2q cube equal to 0. Then further simplification will get r squared x, because replacing y as x, then we'll get r squared x r cube x r squared x cube plus 3r squared x square plus 3r squared q squared x plus r squared plus 2q cube equal 0 is the required equation. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.